Another important tool in getting more sales and winning affiliate contests is learning to write truly effective promotional emails. Sure, most product owners include pre-written emails you can use to promote their products these days, but those are often written by outsourcers who really don't understand what it takes to create a truly effective promotional email. They're also generally used by so many marketers that people grow tired of seeing the same email over and over again. By creating your own unique email, you'll stand out from the crowd and you'll be able to sell in a way those run-of-the-mill pre-written emails can't. Those pre-written emails generally won't have a lick of your personality in them, which is a very good reason to write your own. You want to make your email engaging and entertaining. You want people to look for your emails. You want people to get excited about receiving them. The only way to do that is to write them yourself. There are several good ways to inject personality and entertainment in your emails. You can crack jokes, tell interesting stories related to the topic of your email, include current events that people are talking about. You can even tell them your dog is recovering from an operation, as long as it really is. It may sound counterproductive to include a bunch of potentially unrelated information in your emails, but it's important to get your people to actually read your emails. If they're not reading them, you're not going to sell anything. You don't necessarily have to include a lot of extra information when you're teaching. People love learning new things, but when you're selling, it's especially important to let your personality shine through. People don't like being sold to. In fact, some people get angry when they feel like they're being sold to. The trick is to make them feel like you're not selling to them at all. If you can make them feel like you're just a good friend sharing information about a product you think is really cool, they'll be more likely to read every word of your email and to purchase the product when they've finished reading what you have shared. Making the people on your list feel like they're your friends rather than just people you're selling to is the best way to keep them interested in your emails and make them more likely to buy something from you. Remember when we discussed the importance of having good bonuses to attract sales? Well, writing entertaining and engaging emails will help you trump even the best bonuses. You don't even have to worry about what bonuses other people are offering, because people will buy via your affiliate link simply because they like you and they begin to hang on your every word. Stay tuned for our next lesson. It's going to be the best one yet.